Welcome back. All right, I'm super excited to play around with some of the FlexClip magic tools that use AI technologies. In particular, I can't wait to play with the subtitle tool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to very quickly create a new video. It doesn't even really matter what dimensions it is. I'm going to add video. I don't know why, but this is like wedding stuff here. All right, so we have that, and let's add another one. And since we got weddings going on here, let's just do another one. We'll do a little west-east thing here. All right, so this is just a few seconds long. I'm going to add audio. It's under my tools. So we're going to record our voice. This is very important. Make sure that you choose the correct microphone. So I actually have my lovely Yeti over here. Earlier I had it set to my computer microphone, which made it a bit quiet. So let's say hello. All right, ready? Let's go. Easy. It's your big day. Congratulations. Stop. All right, so now let's see, that should be louder than the one that I did before. All right, I just want to make sure that they all go together, and let's see what we've got here. It's your big day. Congratulations. Oh, a masterpiece, pure masterpiece. Just kidding. Okay, so I just wanted to redo that. And now let's go, and we're going to click on subtitles. We're going to ask it to do an auto subtitle, and you can say choose original language, which is English, choose content, scene and audio. Great. Generate. And that was so fast. And look, I can tell that it worked because there's my text. And if I hit play, it's your big day. Congratulations. All right, yay, that was so fast. That's the kind of thing, even just a year ago, you needed to either type it all in or set up all the time codes and everything. It did it in a few seconds, so that was amazing. So I just did the world's quickest video for you, just to show you how to do it in a short amount of time. So that's the subtitle tool, which you can find either under Tools, or you can find it here under Subtitles. And if you're happy with that, you can export it by clicking Export over here. Choose your settings, Export. All right, and when it was done exporting, it automatically downloaded for me. You can also download it at the button here. Once it's done exporting, you can preview it here. It's your big day. I'm sure whatever you do is going to be much better than what I just did. You also have your buttons here to share right to YouTube, TikTok, Dropbox, Google Drive, and I forget what this one is. And you can also grab a link if you want to make it public. So that was our subtitle tool. All right, in the next lesson, I am going to show you how to use some other magic tools. I will see you there.